Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today we will see how to clear the ASP.NET temporary files in Windows. When you create ASP.NET applications, the framework saves temporary files to make things faster. Over time, these files can build up and use a lot of storage. Deleting these temporary files regularly can keep your development environment clean and free up disk space. This video tutorial gives you a step-by-step guide on how to delete ASP.NET temporary files in Windows. Place of the temporary files folder in Windows system. To delete ASP.NET temporary files, you first need to find the right folder. The location depends on the version of the .NET framework installed on your system and whether you have a 32-bit or 64-bit system. For .NET Framework version 4.0 and above, the temporary ASP.NET Files folder is located in the below-mentioned path. For .NET Framework versions below 4.0, the folder will be found in the path below. Let's move to the lab and perform the practical. First, you need to close all instances of Visual Studio and any running ASP.NET applications. You can stop them from the Task Manager. Right now, neither the Visual Studio nor ASP.NET applications are running. Open File Explorer and go to the temporary ASP.NET Files folder based on your system's .NET Framework version and architecture. Select all files and folders within the temporary ASP.NET Files folder. After that, right-click on the selected items and click the Delete option. Once you delete a file in the Windows system, it moves to the Recycle bin. Go to the Recycle bin and select all files and folders that you have deleted from the temporary ASP.NET Files folder. Right-click on it and select the Delete option to delete the files and free up disk space permanently. In the confirmation window, click on the Yes button to remove the file permanently. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to clear the ASP.NET temporary files in Windows. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumb up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.